All right, to continue our trophy, what we're going to do now is make the middle part. And we're going to use a new shape called a cylinder. So we'll go over to our basic shapes. And again, if they're hidden, just click the little arrow that's over here, and it will appear. And drag out this orange cylinder and set it somewhere on the work plane. Now we're going to change the size or the dimensions of this cylinder. We're going to click the corner handle, and we're going to change this to 22 and change this number to 22. Now we're going to make this cylinder a lot taller, so I'm going to click that middle handle, and we're going to change this 20 to a 60 and press enter. So now we have a cylinder that's 22 by 22 by 60. And now we're going to want to move this into this. We don't have to do a lift. We can just move it over and put it right there. We made it tall enough. We're going to use our align tool to make sure it's perfectly aligned. So all you got to do is get it close. And then I'm going to click and hold my mouse and select everything, all the shapes like that. And then I'm going to click align. And we'll click the middle black handle right there and the middle black handle here. And now we have our cylinder that's perfectly aligned with the base. I'm going to hit the home button to zoom me out a little bit. And now let's make the top part of our trophy. To make the top part, I'm going to go over to the red box and drag out another box. This is going to be the top platform, so go ahead and select a color for it. I'm going to select brown. And I'm going to give you the dimensions, so we'll zoom in, click it, change that corner handle to 30 by 30. So we'll change both those numbers to 30, and then we want to change the height to 5. We'll click the middle white handle, click that number, and type 5. And now we need to do a really tall lift. We want to lift this up at least as high as this cylinder. So we're going to find that middle black triangle, that's our lift tool, and we're going to click and hold it and start lifting it. And then I'm going to type the number 60 right here because I know that cylinder is 60, and we'll see if that's tall enough. If I slide it over, looks like it's going to be perfect. So again, I raised it until this number said 60. You can even type 60 in there. And now we'll slide it over, get it close. We're going to use the align tool to align it perfectly. So I'm going to click and drag and select it. Click align. Click the middle black circle there and the middle black circle there. And now let's select the whole thing and group it. So I'm going to select everything and click the group button right there. And now it's grouped together. Now if you had different colors and you want the original colors back that you selected for the base or the cylinder, you can get your original colors back. You can click this and either select a color and the whole thing will be that color, or you can check and select the multicolor button. Multicolor will keep the original colors while still keeping it one shape, because now it's grouped and we can drag this whole thing around. So now that we've got this tower, in the next video I'm going to show you the part that we're going to put on top of the trophy.